Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Codecademy, a platform that has become one of the biggest names in online coding education. Whether you're a complete beginner just starting to explore programming or an experienced professional looking to master a new skill, Codecademy has something to offer. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, its standout features, the pricing structure, pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on whether it's worth your time and investment in 2025. So without further ado, let's dive in. Codecademy was founded in 2011 with a bold mission to democratize coding education. Their goal is to make learning to code accessible, engaging, and most importantly, effective. Over the years, the platform has grown into one of the most popular online resources for tech education with more than 50 million users worldwide. That's a staggering number, and it reflects Codecademy's ability to meet the learning needs of people from all walks of life. Now, what really sets Codecademy apart is its interactive approach to teaching. Unlike many platforms that rely on passive video lessons, Codecademy emphasizes hands-on learning. From the moment you start a course, you're actively writing and testing code directly in your browser. It's like having a mini coding environment built right into the platform, so you don't need to worry about setting up software or tools before you get started. Another thing I love is how Codecademy is designed to be accessible for both beginners and advanced learners. Whether you want to learn basic HTML and CSS for web design, dive into data analysis with Python, or explore advanced topics like machine learning, Codecademy has you covered. They've created a structured learning experience that gradually introduces you to more complex concepts as you build your skills. And it's not just about coding. While programming is the platform's core focus, it also offers courses in complementary skills like cybersecurity, SQL for database management, and even career-focused tools like technical interview preparation. So whether you're looking to land your first job in tech or just want to pick up coding as a hobby, Codecademy can be a valuable resource. Now let's break down some of the main features that make Codecademy so appealing. 1. Interactive courses. Codecademy is best known for its interactive lessons. Instead of just watching a video and taking notes, you're actively participating in your learning. Each lesson is structured to let you write and test code in real time with instant feedback to guide you. For example, if you make a mistake, Codecademy points it out and explains how to fix it. 2. Skill paths and career paths. If you're someone who thrives on structured learning, you'll appreciate Codecademy's skills paths and career paths. Skills paths focus on specific topics like building interactive websites or mastering data visualization. They're great if you have a particular goal in mind. Career paths, on the other hand, are more comprehensive programs designed to prepare you for specific tech roles. 3. Real-world projects. One of the highlights of Codecademy is its inclusion of real-world projects in many courses. These projects give you the opportunity to apply what you've learned in a practical setting, like building a portfolio website or analyzing real data sets. These are fantastic for building a portfolio to showcase to potential employers. 4. Quizzes and assessments. Another standout feature is the platform's quizzes and assessments. These tools help you test your understanding of the material as you go. Plus, they give you immediate feedback so you know where you're excelling and where you need to focus more efforts. 5. AI-powered learning assistants. In 2025, Codecademy has embraced AI tools to enhance the learning experience. These features include personalized practice recommendations which adapt to your progress and intelligent assistance to help you grasp difficult concepts more effectively. 6. Community support. Learning to code can be challenging, but Codecademy's community forums and support channels ensure you're never stuck for long. The community is active and filled with learners and professionals who share tips, answer questions, and provide guidance. Now let us talk about the pricing. What does it cost to use Codecademy? The platform offers a tiered structure. There's a basic plan that is free, and this is perfect if you're just exploring coding. However, the free plan has some limitations as it doesn't include advanced features like projects or certifications. There's a Plus plan at $11.99 per month when billed annually or $14.99 when billed monthly. The Plus plan includes unlimited course access, certificates of completion, and real-world projects, plus everything in basic and more. There's a Pro plan. It is a premium tier. It's priced at $15.99 per month and $19.99 per month if billed monthly. It is ideal for those serious about a career in tech. It includes everything in the Plus plan and more. What are the pros and cons of using Codecademy? We start with the pros. Interactive learning. The hands-on coding experience is one of the best in the industry. Comprehensive course catalog. From beginner to advanced topics, there's something for everyone. Affordable pricing. Compared to traditional boot camps, Codecademy is a bargain. Flexible learning. You can learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Real-world applications. The projects and career paths help bridge the gap between learning and doing. How about the cons? Limited free plan. The free plan only offers a small slice of what Codecademy can do. Not always deep enough. Advanced learners might find some courses too basic. Requires internet access. Offline learning isn't an option here. So, is Codecademy worth it in 2025? Well, the answer is yes for most people. Codecademy continues to be one of the best platforms for learning to code thanks to its interactive approach, broad course catalog, and affordable pricing. However, it's important to know what you're looking for. If you are a beginner or someone seeking structured hands-on learning, Codecademy is an excellent choice. But if you are an advanced coder looking for in-depth training in niche topics, you might find its offerings a bit limited. Overall, Codecademy is a great investment for anyone serious about building or enhancing their tech skills in an ever-evolving digital world. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Free Code Camp, Udemy, and EDX. And that's a wrap. I hope this comprehensive review helps you make an informed decision about whether Codecademy is the right platform for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.